Welcome all. Today we will give answer to this questions. Do cats have night vision? Can cats see in the dark? Listen good to know the answer. Cats can't see fine detail or rich color, but have a superior ability to see in the dark because of the high number of rods in their retina that are sensitive to dim light. As a result, cats can see using roughly 1/6 the amount light that people need. Cats also have a structure behind the retina, called the tapetum, that is thought to improve night vision. Cells in the tapetum act like a mirror, reflecting light that passes between the rods and the cones back to the photoreceptors and giving them another chance to pick up the small amount of light available at night. This is what makes cats' eyes glow in the dark. But their sight is much more advanced than that of humans for all of their nighttime adventures. Thanks all for your attention. We hope if you likes our contents. And don't forget, subscribe and share with your friends.